so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, look, we got Excavator. Yeah. Yep, Excavator. And we got Dump Truck. We need to go find the snowmobile that got caught up in an avalanche of all this snow. Whoa, okay. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh no, Dump Truck's stuck. Okay, I'll help him. Good job, Excavator. Keep it up. Okay. Yeah, we did it. Whoa. Look at this big hill we gotta get over. Rev up your engines, boys and girls. Whoa. That's a really big hill. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, we made it. Woo. Okay, let's see what's under here. Snowmobile, where are you? Snowmobile! Oh, Snowmobile's not here. Snowmobile, yeah, where are you? Oh, they said they're a little bit further this way. All right, boys and girls, let's go. Whoa. Okay, must be around here. This is where we got the avalanche control call. So, Dump Truck, back up to the job site. Okay, I'm in position. Okay, Excavator, your job is to dig and put snow in the back of Dump Truck. Okay? All right, one load. Good job, Dump Truck. Ha, good job, Excavator. Whoa, the second load. Yeah. Okay, one last load, which is the third load. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at that big load. Whoa, and look at what it is. Oh, we got it. Yeah, the snowmobile. Woohoo! Good job, Excavator. Yeah, Excavator did a really good job. And good job, Dump Truck. Okay. Now the snowmobile can play in peace.
much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout,